Hey B&H viewers, today we're taking a look at the Profoto Connect. Now, the Profoto Connect is an air remote. It slides right into the hot shoe of your camera like that. And there's just 3 settings on the top dial. You've got off, it's off, auto, and manual. So Profoto Air is Profoto's proprietary wireless flash control system, and it's been on the market for years. What makes the Connect so special is it connects to the Profoto app over Bluetooth, and you can use that on your iPhone. So other Profoto Air remotes have had the ability to dial power up and down, switch channels, switch groups right there on the remote control. You have all of that functionality using the Connect. It's just going through the iOS app. And there's some advantages to that. If Profoto wants to add a feature, doesn't have a button or a dial for it, they can just put it right into the app and boom, there you go. The remote itself is extremely low profile, and that's great, particularly if you are the type of photographer that might need to get under a lighting fixture, or you don't want to bump into something, you have an obstruction over you. And the internal battery lasts for 30 hours. It's not something you switch, you just charge it up using the USB-C port, and power management's great. If it's on for an hour, you haven't been doing anything, it turns itself off. On top of the remote, there's a little light, and when you turn it on, you get green to let you know that it's on, and when it's paired, you get a white dot confirmation. Now, Profoto very recently expanded their number of channels from 9 to 20, and this is awesome. If you're an event photographer or a sports photographer, you want to be on a different channel than a competing photographer. Connect works there as well. It doesn't work with all Air flash heads, but most of the modern things that are on the market right now will support 20 channels. All right, so out of the box, the Connect is going to be in channel 1, group A. That's important to note. So if you have Profoto gear that you want to use the Connect with, make sure to change that channel over to 1 and group A. What's the head say?
5.
5, okay. So it's just working like that auto. All right, I'm just gonna see what happens here. 3.9, okay. On the Connect, can you take it down like 2 stops?
2 stops?
Yeah, just want to see what it looks like.
2 stops down.
So that's interesting. Is it at 1.5, 1.7? Go up 1 stop on the Connect.
1 stop on the Connect? -1?
Yeah, yeah, that should be right. All right. Ah! You should buy a bunch of this. So what are we at over there, Matt?
4.3.
4.3, okay. Can you bring that up to like 5.6?
5.6. 5.6.
Is it 5.6? Cool, I'm gonna dial this guy down. So again, I don't have the ability to control the B1X through the Profoto app. There's no Bluetooth that's connecting the two, but I can just walk right up to the fixture and change it, and that's not a big deal for this setup. All right, so obviously like the Profoto Connect remote, it's super easy to use. Who's it for? If you're a photographer that needs the most simple way to communicate with your Profoto Air fixtures, I think this is for you. It's also lower in cost than one of the more full-featured Air remotes. So for more on the Profoto Connect, visit B&H. I'm photographer David Flores.
I'm Courtney.
We'll see you next time.